Hi, I'm Danielle Koretsky.
And I'm Katherine Kreymer.
And we're doing our presentation on the evolution of jealousy.
Jealousy is an important topic because many people, more than others, carry this characteristic today. Jealousy can either cause a feud in a relationship or make the relationship stronger.
Our hypothesis. For our hypothesis, we asked the question, over evolutionary time, why did people with jealous instincts reproduce successfully rather than people without this mannerism? We also figured that if males have many mates due to women not being jealous, it would affect a woman's reproductive success and vice versa.
For our methods, we interviewed our grandparents, parents, and siblings. We gave them a scenario. Imagine your spouse having an affair. I started off with my parents. My parents both said that they would definitely be very jealous because they are both caring people. And I moved on to my grandparents that had a slightly different reaction. My grandmother said that she is extremely jealous, so she would even imagine herself killing the woman. My grandfather, on the other hand, said that he would not be jealous at all. But once discussing it with our immediate family, we decided that my grandfather would in fact be jealous. Jealousy is just such an unattractive characteristic that he would want no part in it. And my brother said that he would be more angry than jealous. I, on the other hand, imagine myself definitely being jealous because I believe that if I find interest in somebody, it would not be hard for anybody else to find interest in that person.
When I interviewed my family, first I interviewed my parents, and my mother said that she would be extremely jealous. She can't imagine her husband being with anybody else other than her. My father also had a very jealous reaction and said that he would be devastated but would learn to get over it over time. Both of my grandparents also had jealous instincts and said they would be extremely jealous and can't imagine being with anybody else because they have been married for so many years. When I asked myself the question and put myself into the situation where I had to imagine my significant other being with somebody else, I also had a very jealous reaction. I would want to know what the other person has that I don't. We finished our interview With this interview, we figured that we inherit certain traits from our close and immediate family members. We know that R represents the degree of relatedness between us and our family. For our parents and siblings, R equals 1/2, and for our grandparents, R equals 1/4.
In result, we had come to the conclusion that psychologists explored cultural differences, finding that jealousy, more than others, is in social importance to marriage and sexual satisfaction. Sexual jealousy has inspired poetry, novels, drama, art, and opera.
For more research in our results section, we found out that jealousy altered people to respond with fear to a potential end to a beneficial relationship. It is believed that humans pair bonded during the hard times of the Ice Age, discovering that two parents increased the chance of the children's survival. And